Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com making this video about the weekly recap trades taken. Today is December 31st and it is the last day of this year. So the next day, the next day is going to be January 1st, 2023. So new year begins with new targets and intention and all of that, right? Resolutions, you make new goals, right? Everything. So take your trading to the next level next year. All right. So let me show you what happened last week. It is very slow, very dangerous, but still, what I came up with, I'm going to show you that this is the 27th December. 26th was a Monday, and I think it was close, right? So 27 December this is a pound Aussie short setup for 90 pip, and then this is pound CAD short setup for 27 on the 27 for 70 pip, right? And next trade is on the 27 EUR-CAD. I was expecting pound CAD and EUR-CAD to drop based on the weekly charts, so they did drop, right? And the next trade is on the 27th, the pound Aussie. The first entry was this, and then the second entry again for 40 pip, the same day, 27. Now, on the 27th, since Aussie was getting strong, so pound Aussie went down and Euro Aussie also went down, but for a little bit, 35 pip, not a bad, trade at all, because I was making live videos at the time of the entries, how I'm making the entries and how the setup is building. So I was showing everything step by step, and that the link for those videos is going to be in the description of this video. So you want to watch that. Those videos, how I made the entries on each and every of these entries or trades, then you can watch those and then understand that how I do it. Now, on the 28th, Euro Aussie, again, this was a small one, and then this is the next day. The target, I even wrote down the target was 56.54, and then later on it hit 56.54, but this is where I closed my trade for 115 pip. And similarly, pound Aussie went down, and this is for 65 pip on the 28th. Now on the 28th, Aussie USD went up. Aussie getting strong, so Euro Aussie and pound Aussie gonna go down, and Aussie USD and Aussie Yen will go up, right? So this one went up 50 pip right here, and the crude oil right here from 79.69 to 78.56 on the December 28th. Now this one again, Euro Aussie came down here, then start to go up, and it went back to 58.27 area, and that's another 95 pip on the 29th. Similarly, when the Aussie Euro Aussie going up, pound Aussie follows it, right? So 60 pip here on the long side to the level on the 29th. And now on the 30th, the last day, the oil trade went up straight. This is from 77.85 to 78.85, okay, buy order. And a couple of more trades on the 30th, pound Aussie to the downside. I was expecting only 100 pip from, on Friday, because that's the last Friday of the month and of the year. So the market is usually very, very slow and almost dead, right? Even then, I pull out with this pound Aussie trade with 50 pip to the downside, and then Euro Aussie trade for 35 pip. So I was planning to get 100 pip, but I came up with the 85 pip, even though these two pairs went down big time. But enough is enough. Safety is important, right? So 85 pip, I ran with that, and I closed the week with that. Now, all of these entries I took, they are recorded in the other videos. Like I said, that the link for those videos are in the description of this video. So watch it, and you will learn how amazing the system is, and then how precisely and perfectly you can take these entries once you learn the system. That's the key. All right, so bye for now, and very, very happy new year to all of you, which is tomorrow, definitely, right? And I hope that you will take your trading to the next level next year. Okay, so bye for now, and then talk to you guys into the next year.